Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front driver's side door panel on a 2016 Honda CRV. Start out by taking a small flathead screwdriver and prying down on this little groove that's cut out in this cap behind the interior door handle here. And behind there is 2 Phillips screws that need to come out. Next, take that same small flathead, and there's a little rubber pad down here that covers up another Phillips screw. Just pry out on it and pop that out, and then remove the Phillips screw. Next, we're going to remove this window control unit using a plastic pry tool. You can get sets of these on Amazon. I'll link to the description below where you can get these. But you're going to want to take your skinny plastic pry tool and take the small end, and you want to pry in the very front up here, get between this piece and the door panel itself, and get up underneath it, and then on the back side of it, tap with the other hand, and it gets it loose, and then just work your way down and pry up on it. And then under here is 2 plugs. Remove this front plug by pushing on the tab and pulling down. And this plug's a little different. You gotta push in on this tab with one hand, and then with the other hand, you're gonna swing that out, and it releases the plug, and then just pull out on it. And then again with your plastic pry tool, we're gonna pry out on this piece. And then remove the plug by again pushing on the tab and pulling out. Next, come down to the bottom side of the door panel, and using your wide plastic pry tool, just take it and you're going to run it between the door panel and the door itself. And then place one hand on your pry tool and the other on the door panel and pull out at the same time. And then just pull out on the edges and make sure all the clips are loose on both sides, and then just pick up on the door panel and it'll release it from this edge up here. And then to release the door handle, just make a fist with your hand and you're just going to knock it through the door panel. And then on the back side of the door panel here, we just have one more wire plug to release. Same as the others, just push the tab and pull out. And that's it, guys. Door panel's off. Thanks for watching.